Guangdong Soonseal Package Technology Company is founded in 2000, which is located in Foshan City in China. Soonseal is specialized in manufacturing flexible package for food, souvenir, stationery, and medical products. We offering customized and one-stop logistics service for more than 20 years in 30 different countries and industry. We believe a perfect package could increase consumer desire to buy and push sales volume. It only achieved by control from the first part and being seriously to each process. We are continuously to research and development of renewable material to manufacturing green package in our 10,000 square meter standardized workshop. So far, we have hundreds sets of wireless machine and equipment to make sure our production output, and over 5,000 square meter warehouse and more than 3,000 online products enjoy the RTX system with small MOQ, which are friendly for the first-time buyer and fast deliver. %98 of our orders can ship within 1 business day or 72 hours. We have 15 years experience layout designer and operator which can meet all you require and provide professional advice and service. We are welcome to customize your own package. Contact us right now to see further.